In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a signature in Google Docs on your Android device. Whether you're signing a contract, drafting a letter, or simply looking to personalize a document, adding your signature can be incredibly useful. It's a simple process that only requires a few steps, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Google Docs app on your Android phone. If you haven't already, make sure you have the app installed and logged into your Google account. Opening the app should display a list of all your documents. If your document is not already visible here, you might need to search for it or open it from Google Drive. Once you have your document open that you'd like to add your signature to, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots there. This is actually the More Options menu. Tap on those dots to reveal additional settings and functions for your document. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Print Layout. This step is important because turning on Print Layout will allow you to interact with the document more closely, as it makes it more like a physical sheet of paper. Enabling this will also ensure that your signature is accurately placed where you intend it to be. Next up, look for the option labeled Viewing Mode. Tapping on this will ensure you're in a mode that allows you to edit the document. It's crucial that you're in the right mode, or you won't be able to add your signature. Now locate the plus icon, often found at the top of your screen within the app. Tapping this icon opens up a new set of tools that you can use to further customize your document. From here, you'll need to select Markups. Markups provide a variety of tools, including drawing tools, which are essential for signing your document. Once you've accessed the Markups option, you'll notice a selection of virtual pens. At this point, choose a pen that you'd like to use for your signature. Different pens can give you different sizes and styles, so choose whatever feels right for you. You might want to experiment with a few strokes on a blank area or a test document to determine the pen that results in your desired look. Finally, it's time for you to draw your signature using your finger or a stylus. Carefully draw your signature in the area of the document where you want it to appear. Take your time to ensure that it looks just right. If you're not satisfied with your first attempt, you can use the undo function and try again. And there you have it, a signed document right from your Android device using Google Docs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more empowered to add that personal touch to your documents. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more of our tutorials for easy to follow guides on other digital tasks.